KASPA is about to skyrocket, and in this video we are going to be working towards that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we're going to be covering KASPA once again. I'm going to be sharing some interesting news, so make sure you guys stick around for the entire video. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into it. If you want to make some massive money while trading crypto, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. As you can see, we have closed 2 trades right over here and we were profitable on both of them. This is what we do time and time and again, and if you guys want to achieve similar results for yourself, make sure you guys sign up for my trade signal group as soon as possible. The link to it will be down in the description. Once you join my group, you guys are also going to be getting access to technical analysis, various business opportunities, my personal portfolio, and there's also a chat option where you can chat with like-minded people who are seriously invested in the crypto markets and making some huge money from the space as well. Anyways, now with that being said, let's jump back to KASPA and let me show you what is happening on the charts. So guys, as of right now, we are testing this important support level at a price of about $0.11. Now, I think that things are playing exactly like we had envisioned, but something is not really right. I believe the third wave has ended right over here, and right now we are moving in this fourth wave towards the correction before we finally move out and push beyond this recent all-time high at a price of about 0.135. Now, I believe that is the scenario that is going to be playing out for KASPA, but who knows how the markets are going to be really turning out. So make sure you guys are on the lookout for the daily videos which I'm going to be covering from KASPA in the coming days as well. Now, holding KASPA while it grabs for months is not particularly easy. I mean, it's kind of boring. Once KASPA was pumping, everybody wanted to hold KASPA. But these days, when KASPA is showing no source of movement, it's just going sideways, it's very boring. And this is the exact time when lots of shiny new projects are launching. And you want to be rich now. You want to make some money. You want to get your money out of KASPA, which is not really doing anything, and basically invest it into some new altcoin which is going to be giving you 100x returns in just about like 5 to 10 days. I mean, I personally get it as well, just like Crypto Jesus gets it, and he really does well. But KASPA is actually the real deal. It is the crypto project that can retire you for sure if you just stay on the right track and if you keep on accumulating like all the people have been suggesting you. I'm not saying that you should not be selling your KASPA, but if you guys think there is not a really good opportunity in the market, I think it's the best time to hold on to your tokens as far as possible. Now guys, right now I just want to tell you that why KASPA really stands out among its competitors such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. So guys, first of all, KASPA is the world's fastest layer 1 blockchain. It's faster than Bitcoin, it's way faster than Ethereum, and this is something which a lot of people wanted Bitcoin and Ethereum to go forward with. Bitcoin and Ethereum are perfectly fine, but the transaction times and the transaction cost are really slow on both of them. However guys, if Bitcoin works towards this, I think it could become the next KASPA or vice versa. Unique block DAG system is also being implemented onto the KASPA blockchain, which is really good. It features scalable and rapid transactions, so you can do as many transactions per second without ever worrying about whether it will be available for your customers or not. Also guys, KASPA has been committed to a fair launch and without any sort of pre-minting or say pre-mining. So basically KASPA hasn't been mined by a lot of investors out there, and it's committed to provide you with a fair launch without pre-mining. So no such whale of KASPA exists that is going to be dumping all his or her tokens whenever the project reaches a certain milestone. KASPA is also focused on community-driven development, which is really good. It is taking, the inputs from the community and processing them and turning them into valuable outputs, which is something a lot of people should be looking forward into. I believe this is something which a lot of projects do not really focus on at all. All they focus on is, to drive up the engagement, whether that might be, using viral marketing or some other way of marketing. But Caspa is working and it's focusing on a community-driven development, which is the best course of action for any new project out there as well. Now, remember guys, Caspa initiated with a $0 market cap just like all the others out there. It had no ICO, no pre-mine or VC involvement. The chart gains signify Caspa aligning with the market with a $3 billion market cap, or I could say about a $2.5 billion market cap against the US dollars $30 trillion market cap. Now, if you see Caspa as a fiat disruptor, consider uh, consider this upside potential that practically awaits for Caspa. I mean, if you guys are comparing Caspa with Bitcoin, and if you guys are comparing Bitcoin with the fiat currency, you guys should be thinking about the upside that is still left. I mean, if you guys think that $2.5 billion is a huge sum of money, imagine what imagine what the $30 trillion in the US markets are going to be doing. So make sure you guys are on the lookout and make sure you guys are, working towards a safe environment and making sure your investments are completely clean, because right now a lot of new stuff are coming into the markets which are making people a lot of money. But Caspa, on the other hand, right now is not making people any sort of money. It has been trending sideways for the longest time now. If we check out this chart, you can see that Caspa has been trending sideways for the longest time. We get these, basic pumps, but after that, we again fell towards the downside and returned to the initial point. And this is what we have been seeing with Caspa time and again for the longest time now. Well guys, here is a possibility of what could be happening with Caspa in the recent times. So guys, as all of you can see that here is a major chart recommending all the things which has happened for Caspa for the longest time now. It started, once we were right over here at a low of about 0.011. I had mentioned the project to you all when the project was somewhere around at these levels, when the project was significantly dropping, and a lot of people thought that the project was over. However guys, right now I believe that after we have seen this major pump towards the upside where we have pumped almost about 3 to 4x, I believe that right now is a consolidation phase for Caspa, and once this phase is over, we should be seeing Caspa push to even higher price targets. And just like this chart basically tells us that Caspa's price could be getting ready to rally up to $0.4, which won't surprise me one bit, to be completely honest, because I have very really huge targets for Caspa and I believe it holds a massive potential in the future as well. Here we have a tweet from Jim, I could just call him Jim. He says, I just showed possibility of Caspa getting into the 0.30s, but depending on which chart you use, Caspa could even be more like in the 40s on the next big pump if you include that scary wick down on the recent flash crash. Work with it, not against it. And yeah guys, this is something which I have been telling you all as well. You guys should be working with the market and not against it in the bullish sentiments. I mean, I think that it's good to make moves against the market if you guys are trading crypto, but once you guys are investing into the cryptocurrencies, you guys should be working with the markets and not against them, because in the long run, the way market decides to move itself is going to be determining how the price is going to be getting towards. If the market feels that the project Caspa has no scope of improvement left, the project can basically crash back to zero where it eventually started from. However guys, if people think, and that is why I mentioned that community driven is very very important. If you guys believe that the community is doing great, Caspa is going on and building some even newer things, I believe that you should get in on the train and you should buy up some Caspa and basically load up your bags if you feel comfortable around the community of the project and the overall development as well. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights. If you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you tomorrow with another one. Peace out.